It's your boy Tyrell, and today is my first vegan Thanksgiving. What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always. One, two,
boy, have you lost your mind? Cause I'll help you find it. What you looking for? I'm gonna help you out there. Kids, come through that door. They're not gonna help you if you don't stop.
They be like, Kino, yo, what set you reppin'? I chose the right path, dog, I left the weapons. Don't get it twisted though, cause all my hitters stay on speed dial. The way I'm dropping bodies, all my shooters be like key wild. And you ain't been down to my jungle, I got all my warriors, and we came in here just to rumble with the fisted cups. If it's the team, you missed the cut. Crying on Twitter when you find out that the list is up and your name ain't on it. See, that's a bummer, right? I never had an off season, working on my summer nights. I couldn't catch a summer flight to vacate or kick it like I'm Pele. I had to pay my bills right after payday. But my life ain't sweet just like the candy bar. And I ain't in this snorting Cocoa Pop is candy bars. By the way I push, you thinking I'm the dope man. But when you hear me rap, you gon' know my flow is dope, man. And this is just a product of minimum wage, yeah.
I don't know what to do to inspire these people. Maybe it's my fault. Not your fault. Some people just don't want to be inspired.
I'm a good mind, so don't you worry about it. Said I'm a good mind, you best get ready for it. Cause I was made for this, yeah, you just got yours. Check who you messing with, my game is beautiful.
Yeah, I'm back. Look, I never seen a jail cell, but know about some bars. I got a couple homies locked, a couple dancing with the stars, and that's prime time.
Only one trip.
As you see, just got back from Wegmans. About to cook up a nice vegan Thanksgiving meal. So my family is at home celebrating Thanksgiving. They're not vegan, so I'm not there. I'll probably go see them later. I did see them today, so it's just me and my girlfriend. She's my only vegan friend, other than you guys, of course. But I didn't want to make this video too long because I want to enjoy the process of my first Thanksgiving vegan. So everything is cooking right now, and yeah, I'll just show you guys what it looks like. I'm not gonna record me cooking it because this video will be too long, and I don't want this video super long on Thanksgiving. Just a little clip you guys can watch while you're enjoying your meals. So y'all stay tuned.
If you swinging, better pray you got some hands, bro. Yo, Mickey D, tell them how the plan go.
It's cold symptoms from this cold world. I'm all empty in a symbolic Bentley, sipping Henny, hope I don't shit. My bank account is empty, heart full of gold. And the devil trying to rent me, pay up what you owe. I guess the cost of doing business with the wicked is the same as speeding tickets, radars clicking, niggas want your soul. So, to the highest bidder, we them niggas, we the business. Better listen, pay attention, pray you never fold. I hate fake outrage over blatant racism, blatant hatred, shit ain't changed, that's just how it goes. Whoa, I think this be the realest shit I wrote. And Marky B just got the realest shit I smoke. Often days I just wake up in the daze, in the haze, sit amazed that a nigga really be this broke. I like to think that I'm sitting on a meal ticket. Unreleased music is my muse when the bill's kicking.
Alright guys, as you see, dinner is served. First official vegan Thanksgiving. I'm gonna show you what I got, man. Got me a little biscuit. Got some mashed potatoes, some macaroni and cheese, cornbread, corn, and I got me some green bean casserole, and I got me some cheesecake because you gotta have dessert. If you want to know what that cheesecake is, got some Daya, I think that's how you say it, Daya, New York cheesecake. All right, so there we have it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be looking out for more videos coming soon. I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. And you know I'm starving, so I'm about to crush this food. I just wanted to say that I'm truly, truly thankful for you guys, all my subscribers, all the love, all the support. I really, really appreciate it. It doesn't go unnoticed. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about?
Frugal Terry Crews with the loot. That's 36 in a spilt milk that my crew's missing. I changed my mood different. Mood swings to me feel like monsoons in the pool. You see Kendrick swimming. I've been hot like the coolant dripping. Still a monster, loser politicians oozing pockets to the prisons. Ooh, the popular been smitten. Ooh, the cops to make a killing. Ooh, the locks been put on doors.